Hey there! Struggling with connectivity issues or slow internet? You're not alone. Many users face TP-Link internet connection problem. Today, we're diving deep into how to fix TP-Link internet connection problem. Whether you're trying to stream your favorite show or tackle important online tasks, this guide will help you get back on track seamlessly. Step 1. Check the basics. Before digging into technical details, start with the basics. Ensure all cables are securely connected. Your TP-Link router should be plugged into a power source and your modem. Verify the power, router, and internet indicators are lit up, showing normal operation. Sometimes all it needs is a reset. Try unplugging your devices for about 10 seconds and plugging them back in. Step 2. Confirm ISP connection. It's crucial to rule out issues with your internet service provider. Check your account status. There might be outages or maintenance work in your area. Contact your ISP if unsure and confirm they aren't experiencing problems that might affect your service. Step 3. Access the TP-Link admin panel. Access your router's admin panel to make necessary adjustments. Connect your computer to the router via an Ethernet cable and type the default IP address into your web browser. That's usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Log in using the default credentials found on your router or its manual. This step is crucial during the How to Fix TP-Link Internet Connection Problems process. Step 4. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can cause several connection issues. Navigate to your router settings and check for firmware updates. Download and install the latest updates from the TP-Link website if available. This simple step often resolves many connectivity hiccups and ensures your router runs optimally. Step 5. Adjust wireless settings. If you're facing Wi-Fi issues, tweaking wireless settings might help. Switch your router's channel to reduce interference from neighboring networks. Often, channels like 1, 6, or 11 offer the best performance. Ensure your router is in a central location, free from obstructions like walls or large metal objects that might impede signal strength. Step 6. Explore quality of service. Sometimes specific devices or applications may hog bandwidth, causing slow speeds for other tasks. Use the quality of service feature to prioritize bandwidth for vital applications. Access this feature in your TP-Link admin panel by navigating to the QoS settings. Allocate bandwidth according to your requirements and balance your network's performance effectively. Step 7. Secure your network. Secure networks prevent unauthorized use, which can slow down your connection. Update your Wi-Fi password regularly and use strong security protocols like WPA3. Additionally, disable WPS, which is Wi-Fi protected setup, if you don't use it, as it can be a vulnerability point for hackers. Fixing TP-Link internet connection problems can feel daunting, but with these steps, you'll be on your way to a reliable, speedy connection. Remember, most issues are resolvable through simple methods like updating firmware, securing your connection, and using QoS efficiently. With a little patience and our guide on how to fix TP-Link internet connection problems, your browsing experience can be smooth sailing. Enjoy seamless streaming, gaming, and browsing without interruptions.